Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we will show you how to find hostname and IP address in Windows 10 in a quick and easy way so you can identify your computer on a network without any confusion. Now let's get started. Step 1, click on the search box located on the Windows taskbar. This is where you can quickly find apps and system tools. Type CMD in the search box, press enter, and then click on Command Prompt from the results, as this tool allows you to run network-related commands. Step 2. Once the command prompt window opens, type ipconfig all and press enter on your keyboard. This command displays detailed network information, including your system name and connection details, which is important for troubleshooting and network setup. Step 3. Scroll up slightly and look for the Windows IP configuration section at the top of the list. Here you will find the hostname, which identifies your computer on the network and is often required for network administration tasks. Step 4. Scroll down to wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi if you are connected through Wi-Fi, or Ethernet adapter if you are using a wired connection. Under that section, look for the IPv4 address, which is your system's IP address and is essential for identifying your device on local networks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.